Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with outside speakers, triple step entry, cable TV hookup, USB charging station, LED exterior lighting, mirrored wardrobe doors, double door refrigerator, quad slides, stainless steel kitchen appliances, sink covers, bathroom cabinet with mirror, sofa bed, flush mount gas range cover, ducted AC, entry grab handle, range hood with exhaust fan and light, bedside power outlets, bunkhouse wardrobe with TV cabinet, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, designer headboard, 3-burner range, oven, upper bunk windows, over-the-range microwave, ceiling fan, electric awning, shower skylight, flip-down travel rack, walk-through bathroom, heated enclosed underbelly, overhead kitchen storage, walk-in pantry, 2 ACs, living area television, stainless sink, roller shade window coverings, backup camera ready, dual bedroom nightstands, LED interior lighting, dual lights over headboard, loft in living area, walk-around queen bed, bathroom toilet, big corner shower, counter peninsula, bike rack, spare tire and carrier, end tables on either side of the sofa, wardrobe with storage drawers, freestanding table with chairs, sofa hide-a-bed with drop-down bunk, vanity with sink, solar power prep, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, high-rise faucet, pot and pan drawer, automatic levelers, rear living area, living room fireplace. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.